cyclist accelerates uniformly from 5 meters per second to 8 meters per second over a distance of 80 meters. A, find the acceleration, and B, the speed of the cyclist when she has travelled 3/4 of that distance. So we got U is equal to 5 meters per second, V is 10 meters per second, S is 80 meters, and A we need to find. So using part A, just drawing a diagram. So we've got the cyclist beginning at 5 meters per second and then ending at 10 meters per second. We've got a distance, that's a distance of 80 meters, and we don't know the acceleration. I'm just going to correct myself because the acceleration, if it goes from 5 to 10, it must be acting in that direction, the acceleration. So using v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as in order to find the acceleration. So substituting in, so we're going to have 10 squared, and don't forget to square them, because normal mistake with this formula is people forget to square. Is equal to u squared plus 2a times the distance, which is 80. So it's 100 is equal to 25 plus 160a. So 75 will be equal to 160a, and therefore a will be 15 over 32 meters per second squared. B, 3/4 times 180, because we want to find the speed of the cyclist when it travels 3/4 of that distance. So 3/4 of 80 is 60 meters. So we want the speed when s is equal to 60. So u is 5 meters per second, a is 15 over 32. So using v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as, we're going to have that v squared is equal to 5 squared. Again, don't forget to square. 2 times my answer to the previous part, 15 over 32 times 60, which is 25 plus 25 over 4, which gives me 81.25. Rounding to 3, that common mistake, that is v squared. We need to find v, so take the square root. Again, quite often people forget to do that, which gives me square root of 81.025 is 9.013. You should always write down a few numbers first. Rounding off, that becomes 9.01 meters per second squared. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the acceleration when given the initial and final velocity and the distance travelled, and then using that information to find a velocity part way through the journey. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.